Choose Atlanta, Vegas.
So what it do, young nigga? 100.
Hey y'all, welcome back to a new video. So as you can tell by the title, we are doing another hair review, and this hair is in collaboration with Ashimary Hair, and I want to give them a huge thank you for sponsoring today's video. They sent over a honey blonde highlighted unit. It is a 13 by 4, 24-inch unit. The hair is very, very beautiful. Like right out the packet, it's very silky, it's very straight. This hair was everything. So you already know the drill. If you want to see me install this unit, just keep on watching, girl, okay? And don't forget to check the description box so you can get one of your own. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you later.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottles is on the knee. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember getting them all with the whole team. Now niggas take us a call cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me dripping. Straight up out the objects, I'm a big crip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen, like running the flip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I had inside of the baby, and I was sitting back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve crack. Uncle fronted me some keys, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the rain, and I gave my bitch a new boost. Either you run a y'all gang, or you swoop. Got a New Orleans bitch, and man, that pussy whoop. And I'm that nigga now. I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottles is on the G. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember getting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer calls cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I've been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass, daddy, whoa, whoa. Bitch to my toes. I put it in the AP, water like a boat. I was dabbing on my dick, what was you niggas at? I know you turned your back on me just to get some bricks. I see you swerve back, cause I'm in the black bag. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new vintage. Tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. I just mind my business. I got brothers at the time I ain't getting. All these rappers just talk about it, I live. Going up, I ain't got no sky limit. I trap into the bloody bottles is on the knee. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember getting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer calls cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty.